Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to rent an apartment on Zillow. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing is to head over and open up your Zillow app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. If you don't have an account, simply create one and then log in with your credentials. Now the next thing is to use the search bar at the top of the page to enter your desired city, neighborhood or zip code, and then once you do that, here what you need to do is just simply select a property and then select rent as the listing type from the filter options. You can further narrow down your search by applying filters such as price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, pet friendly, type of property, square footage and other amenities like parking, pool, gym, etc. And then next is to browse through the listings that match your preferences, check photos and descriptions, and use the map as well. View property details, click on a listing to get more details including photos of the property, rent amount, lease terms, contact information, availability and move-in dates, and amenities and features. And now next thing is to contact the landlord or property manager and then submit a rental application which requires your documents like proof of income, photo ID, rental history and references. Wait for the approval, sign the lease, and then all you gotta do is move in. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.